Number 10. The Timex Automatic, Model 2025, is a sophisticated timepiece that combines classic design with reliable mechanical performance. This watch features a finely crafted stainless steel case that offers both durability and a polished, elegant look suitable for any occasion. Its automatic movement ensures precise timekeeping without the need for batteries, harnessing the natural motion of the wearer's wrist to maintain power. The dial is thoughtfully designed with clear, easy-to-read markers and luminous hands, allowing for effortless visibility even in low-light conditions. A date display adds practical functionality, while the exhibition case back provides a captivating view of the intricate inner workings, showcasing the craftsmanship of the automatic movement. Number 9. The Bianchette B1.618 UltraFino is a masterfully engineered timepiece that embodies elegance and precision in every detail. Its ultra-thin case design gives the watch a sleek, refined profile, making it exceptionally comfortable to wear while exuding understated sophistication. Crafted from high-quality materials, the watch combines durability with a modern aesthetic, perfectly suited for both formal and casual settings. The dial showcases minimalist markers and finely polished hands, creating a clean, legible interface that emphasizes clarity and style. Equipped with a precise automatic movement, the Bianchette B1.618 UltraFino ensures reliable timekeeping, while its transparent case back offers a captivating view of the intricate inner mechanics. Number 8. The Omega Seamaster Diver 300M, New Orange, is a striking blend of robust functionality and vibrant style, designed for both professional divers and watch enthusiasts. Its 42mm stainless steel case houses a unidirectional rotating bezel in a bold orange hue, providing excellent visibility underwater while adding a dynamic pop of color. The watch features Omega's renowned coaxial master chronometer movement, ensuring exceptional precision, durability, and resistance to magnetic fields. Its wave-pattern dial, luminescent hands, and hour markers guarantee clear readability in all conditions, while the helium escape valve and 300-meter water resistance make it a true tool for diving adventures. Number 7. The Ferrer Aqua Compressor Titanium Series 3 is a sophisticated dive watch that perfectly blends technical innovation with contemporary design. Crafted from lightweight titanium, the watch offers exceptional durability and comfort, making it ideal for extended wear both underwater and on land. Its compressor-style case ensures water resistance to demanding depths, while the distinctive dual crown system allows precise manipulation of the internal timing bezel, enhancing safety and functionality for diving. The dial features bold, legible markers with luminous hands, providing excellent visibility in low-light conditions, and a subtle date window adds practical, everyday utility. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, the watch delivers precise timekeeping, while the exhibition case back reveals the intricate mechanics inside, celebrating Ferrer's dedication to craftsmanship. Number 6. The Christopher Ward C65 Aquitaine GMT is a versatile and elegant timepiece designed for travelers and watch enthusiasts who appreciate both style and functionality. Its polished stainless steel case houses a bold, easy-to-read dial with luminous hands and markers, ensuring clarity in any lighting condition. The standout feature of this watch is its GMT complication, which allows tracking of a second time zone with precision, making it perfect for global journeys. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, the C65 Aquitaine GMT delivers consistent and accurate timekeeping, while the rotating bezel and subtle date display enhance both practicality and usability. A comfortable leather strap or metal bracelet completes the design, blending classic aesthetics with modern sophistication. With its thoughtful combination of technical prowess and refined styling, the Christopher Ward C65 Aquitaine GMT is a timepiece that seamlessly balances everyday functionality with timeless elegance. Number 5. The Fortis Stratoliner S is a precision-engineered pilot's watch that embodies reliability, clarity, and modern sophistication. Its 41mm stainless steel case provides a robust yet lightweight presence on the wrist, while the anti-reflective sapphire crystal ensures optimal legibility in all lighting conditions. The dial is designed with clean, luminescent markers and hands, offering clear readability at a glance, essential for aviation and everyday use alike. Powered by a high-performance automatic movement, the Stratoliner S delivers exceptional accuracy and dependable timekeeping, while the exhibition case back allows a captivating view of the intricate mechanics within. With a choice of a durable leather strap or metal bracelet, the watch balances comfort with refined style, making the Fortis Stratoliner S a sophisticated companion for pilots, professionals, and watch aficionados who value both functionality and timeless design. Number 4. The Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic is a rugged yet refined timepiece that perfectly captures the spirit of classic military watches. Its stainless steel case combines durability with a clean, versatile design suitable for both outdoor adventures and everyday wear. The watch features a highly legible dial with bold Arabic numerals and luminous hands, ensuring easy readability in any light, while a discreet date window adds practical functionality. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, the Khaki Field Automatic offers consistent and precise timekeeping without the need for a battery, harnessing the motion of the wearer's wrist to maintain power. A sturdy leather strap or NATO-style band complements the watch's utilitarian aesthetic, providing comfort and adaptability. Number 3. The Oris Divers 65 is a beautifully crafted dive watch that combines vintage-inspired design with modern reliability. Its stainless steel case and domed sapphire crystal give it a timeless, elegant profile while ensuring durability and scratch resistance. The watch features a unidirectional rotating bezel and luminous hands and markers, providing clear visibility and precise timing for underwater adventures. Powered by a robust automatic movement, the Divers 65 delivers dependable accuracy and smooth performance, reflecting Oris's commitment to quality watchmaking. A choice of a stainless steel bracelet, rubber strap, or vintage-style leather strap allows the watch to adapt seamlessly from diving excursions to everyday wear. With its harmonious blend of retro charm, practical functionality, and mechanical excellence, the Oris Divers 65 stands out as a versatile and stylish companion for both enthusiasts and professional divers. Number 2. The Seiko 5 Sports GMT is a dynamic and versatile timepiece that blends sporty aesthetics with practical functionality. Its robust stainless steel case houses a bold, easy-to-read dial with luminous hands and markers, ensuring excellent visibility in all conditions. The standout feature of this watch is its GMT complication, which allows tracking of a second time zone, perfect for travelers or those managing schedules across different regions. Powered by Seiko's reliable automatic movement, the 5 Sports GMT provides consistent and precise timekeeping, while the day-date display adds everyday convenience. The watch is complemented by a durable stainless steel bracelet or comfortable strap, enhancing both style and wearability. Number 1. The Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 is a sleek and modern timepiece that seamlessly combines contemporary design with advanced mechanical engineering. Its slim stainless steel case and integrated bracelet give it a refined, elegant profile that sits comfortably on the wrist, making it suitable for both formal occasions and everyday wear. The watch features a clean, minimalist dial with luminous hands and markers, offering excellent legibility while maintaining a sophisticated aesthetic. At the heart of the PRX is the Powermatic 80 automatic movement, which provides an impressive 80-hour power reserve, ensuring reliable and accurate timekeeping even after extended periods off the wrist. A sapphire crystal protects the dial, combining durability with scratch resistance, while the transparent case back allows a captivating view of the movement in action. 1.